We're renting her a bike.
Like this?
I think that's it.
Cool.
She's got a bike. We good? Safety first. There you are. Bayfront. It's been a while, eh, Court? So we're down here at the Hamilton Bayfront, and just like Toronto Island, and various places around southern Ontario, the water level is extremely high. So high, in fact, that the paths have been closed. The main waterfront trail is apparently closed for the year, for the season. It sucks. I was hoping to get a lot of use out of that this year, now that I'm so much closer. And look at this. It's just, that used to be a path. It's all submerged now. There's been so much rain. Courtney's looking at me. She thinks I'm crazy. What are you doing?
I don't know.
Doing some table stretches?
Yeah, table stretches. The balance beam. Ah! You kicked dirt all over me.
I have the high ground now, Anakin.
Yeah, you're always taller than me though.
We just did an excellent dance number
Fantastic.
on this bench in our silhouettes, and the fun fell instantly into it. We danced for like 5 minutes and didn't notice. We were too busy dancing
Too busy dancing.
to notice the camera face down. So much flooding. Now we get your arc. So how do you get now? Good work, Hamilton. They seem to work well, right?
Yeah, fantastic.
Good city
I will be a
bikes.
repeat customer.
You did it.
Did it.
Good run, Cactus.
It's not happening. Stop trying to make cactus happen.
Cactus will happen.
It's not gonna happen.
Good bike ride.
Good bike ride, yeah.
Run while playing
soccer.
soccer. Good ride.
Now I'm tired. That was an awkward
Let's
nap.
let's order some food.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Mm.
Skip the dishes. Skip them. It's June. You know what that means? Summer is here. I love my deck. I'm very excited for the first summer in this place, but this deck is missing a couple things. I think it's kind of missing a beer. It's definitely missing a barbecue. Some assembly required. It's blueberry. How much more summer does it get? I got blueberry beer. Thanks, Court. Thanks for helping. Did it! Barbecue! Barbecue season is here. High five.